Hey guys, welcome back to TechZar. My name is Lazar, and today on the bench we have something special, something to keep your PC cool, something that is affordable but packs one hell of a performance punch, something that is proven and noteworthy, but we have it in brand new clothing. We're talking about the AK620 from DeepCool. Only this time, this is a very special edition. We're talking about the Zero Dark Zoria edition. So what we're going to be doing today is essentially focusing on more of the cosmetic aspect. We're going to be unboxing this one, having a look, and I'm going to give you a general overview. Inside the box, you get everything that you need to install the cooler. You get a long screwdriver with a bit of an angle, so it's easy to tighten down those screws. Thermal paste, because you need some of that. And of course, very comprehensive instructions as well as mounting hardware. By this point, the AK620 has been reviewed to death and everybody's got performance numbers out. One thing is clear, this is a tried and tested recipe. It offers great performance at a medium size and a fantastic entry point in terms of price. So let's say you're looking for an air cooler but don't want to spend too much and you don't want it to be humongous, the AK620 is definitely the way to go. And the special color scheme that we have for the Dark Zoria edition will not be affecting the performance. By all intents and purposes, if you prefer something different, then you can check out the Zero Dark version, full black, the white version which is full white, and they also have a dark gray and grayish version as well. Not only that, believe it or not, there's also digital versions now that have a display attached to it. DeepCool has created many variations of the AK620 because it's a successful product. Essentially, this is a tried and true recipe. So if you want something which is a bit lighter on the wallet but heavy on the performance still, do take into account the AK620. This is not a sponsored video by any stretch of the imagination. I am going to be dropping relevant links in the description down below, but they're not affiliated. And I do believe that's pretty much everything. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, favorite, share, and subscribe only if you enjoy the content. If you want to see more content such as this, hit the cards right now. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.